What really impressed us with Nanoprecise is both their hardware and their software. And their sensor hardware, the technology really is best in class because it monitors 6 different metrics, and no other sensor does that in the marketplace. And their sensors have true remote communication capabilities. Like, they don't rely on local IT networks or IT departments for the communications. They communicate directly to the cloud. So those two things on the hardware side were very intriguing for us. And then on their software side, the analytics is also far superior. They could take the inputs from those 6 different metrics from the sensor, you combine that with machine nameplate information, and they also had the capability to input specific component data, such as the make and model of like bearings. You combine all those things, and it turns that data into really true, actionable information to create highly accurate and informative machine health assessments with recommended mitigation actions. So what does that all mean? It means that their sensors, equipment is superior, their fault detection is far superior, constantly monitoring equipment 24/7 and provide appropriate alerts. And not only is the fault identification highly accurate, but they also provide possible causes of faults. So, and on top of this, and what was very important for us also, is that Nanoprecise provides mitigation actions. So if you identify the fault, Nanoprecise can also give you recommended actions to take to overcome those faults. So all those things together is really why we partnered with Nanoprecise.